Welcome to Into the Kitchen with me, Chef Cynthia Louise, and this is the perfect detox cleanser drink that I've ever tasted in my life. I had it in LA years and years ago, and I just remembered it last night when I had to kind of come up with a few ideas of what to do today in the kitchen. I thought, oh my God, I'm going to show you guys how to make this. This is amazing. So this is our kitchen. Scott's behind the camera. This is where we get to eat. Yeah, we get to nourish ourselves in nature. I mean, have a look at it. Have a look at it, people. It is delicious and nutritious without dissecting it to its, nutritional parts. All right, thank you, Lasmi. So I have a pineapple. Amazing. My mum actually taught me how to cut pineapples. Did you know that?
No.
She's just on, hey. How much pineapple do I want? I want that much pineapple. Stick that back over there. Yeah, she taught me how to cut pineapples. So Mum, if you're watching, I'm going to do exactly what you taught me, which is exactly this. Yeah, and this is what she used to do, Scott. Take all those bits out.
Oh, yeah. Right from the light, let me get a better angle.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah. The locals do it that way.
Yeah, in Indonesia.
Yeah.
And in Papua New Guinea. Mum says that these are the bits that give you stomach ache and reflux and make your tongue go all yucky.
All right.
So my tongue always goes yucky when I eat pineapple. That's not have these things out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to give it a bit of a wash. All those isms out, Mum. Thanks for the tip. She's great. Best fruit salad maker in the world, you are, Mum. Do you know how she makes a fruit salad, right? She always gets the passion fruit, seriously, and she puts it through a sieve so the seeds don't come out.
Oh, wow.
And she keeps the juice and puts it in the fruit salad.
Amazing.
I always do that, Mum. Like, I'm talking to my mum right now. I always do that, and it always reminds me of you. Because you make the best fruit salad. Cutting it up, I'm not going to use the core. Okay. Got my Vitamix.
That would be hardcore.
Oh, we're funny today. Straight into here. Now, over here. Look what I got here. The iron of all things. It is loaded with iron, they say. Or is it vitamin C? Can't remember. Anyway, one of them. I'm a chef, not a nutritionist, but I just know it's loaded with something spectacular. You're just going to cut this up roughly. So I've got about a good heaped cup of this, and I've got about 2 heaped cups of pineapple if you want to chop it up and get measurements right. But you've seen how much I used. I used a good slab of pineapple. That was a big pineapple.
Yeah, that's it.
Now I want water, just a little, and I want to blend it, and here's a bit of noise. Now once it's blended, pardon, what was that?
I would have never thought of those combinations.
Exactly.
Together. Parsley and pineapple.
Exactly. So we can stop here, Scott, and you can actually taste it because you're into warm drinks at the moment. You're not into cold, icy cold stuff.
Yeah.
Cords around my leg. Look at the colour of it. Just have a taste. Have a smell first. Let me smell this. It's nice, huh?
Beautiful.
I so want to film you right now.
Beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's something about it, hey?
Mm.
It's almost like a pineapple lemonade, if
Yep.
anything. So now I'm going to add ice because I want it cold, all right?
Yeah.
Now notice how I added a splash of water, okay, because the ice is water and yeah, blah, blah, blah. You can take that, my friend. Blending again. Now I want to blend this so all those fiber bits of fibre, kind of break down a bit. So yeah, and can you hear the crunch of the ice? I want that blended as well. Now this is where it's up to you. You can add a bit of coconut sugar if you want to. I'm not going to. I think it's perfect. Do you think it's perfect, Scott?
Yeah, that pineapple's
Sublime, yeah. That's quite a lot of parsley in there. It's good, isn't it, babe?
Yes, really good.
What you could do is add a pinch of salt.
Oh, I was going to say a dash of lime.
Absolutely. Absolutely a dash of lime. Mix that through. I love using things like this, you know. Just we have them, let's use them. Oh yeah, that lime's lovely. I'm actually going to pop that in there. There we go. That to me is one of the best cleansing, open-hearted, great after you've cold a plane and travelled a long distance on a plane, go home, hydrate. Fantastic way to just build on, especially that parsley. There's a lot of parsley. A good heap cup of parsley. Enjoy. I'll see you next time into the kitchen with me. I love it. I love you guys. I love that you're watching. This is awesome. Bring on the TV show, I say. Let's do this. See ya.